Hey guys, welcome back to the Educated Barfly. Today I'm going to teach you how to make one of my very favorite cocktails. It wouldn't be fair to say my very favorite cocktail because I like so many good cocktails, but one of my very favorite cocktails is called the Army and Navy. It first appeared in David A. Embry's How to Mix Drinks in 1948. It is there's really not that much to know about this classic cocktail other than that it's amazing. And what makes it amazing is that it's basically the proportions of a traditional gin sour, but instead of using simple syrup, he supplanted it with Orgeat. Orgeat is almond syrup, so it's basically the process of taking almonds, crushing them up, putting like a sugar water solution into it, and then like straining it through cheesecloth, and you get this wonderful. And then today, I'm actually not, even though it's in a clear bottle, I'm not using house-made Orgeat. Today I'm using Orgeat from St. Vincent's Syrups here in LA, which is a local brand, and they do like a really good kind of citrusy twist on Orgeat. And it works really well in this cocktail. So let's get into it. The first thing that we're going to do is add, the recipe calls for 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, but I put 4 because the Japanese bitters dasher is about half a bitters dasher from an Ango bottle. So if you're using just an Angostura bottle, do 2 dashes. But if you're doing one of these, do 4 dashes, just because you want the right amount of bitters. All right, and then 3/4 an ounce of lemon juice. Here, I'm gonna stick this down here out of the way, and then I'm gonna get that off. It's a little sticky, actually. We'll do 3/4 an ounce of Orgeat. All right, and then our very favorite part, 2 ounces of gin. And that's it. I mean, we need a glass, so pardon me one sec. And I'll get one. Sorry about that. I tend to forget things, and true to form, I forgot the glass. So you want like a Nick and Nora, or you can do a cocktail glass, or you can do a coupe. Personally, I like Nick and Nora's and coupes a little bit better. Gonna add our ice. Add our cocktail to the ice. Lock our tins. And shake vigorously. That's it. Take our glass, unlock our tins, and this one we will be fine straining for sure. We definitely want to make sure that we get all the little ice chips out. And there you have it. Well, I'll just put this down here. Get this out of the way. The Army and Navy. Now, some people like to do a little lemon twist. You can do a little lemon twist. Some people like to put a little extra Ango on the top. Personally, I like it just the way that it is. Here you go, the Army and Navy.